busiest. Rodney Perham, Boy Frank, 9A George, BBF, 98G. It's a white GMC Sierra.
Expired.
Coming towards you, 37. Wrecked out right across from Kansas Park. Wrecked out before Kansas Park. Put your hands up! Hands up! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get on your face! Get the fuck on the ground! Get on your face! Lay down. Hit me and hit me. What the fuck was that about? I'm just sitting here, man. You hit me too, man. I ain't doing nothing but the fuck up. Just tell me this. The fuck you running for? Be honest with you. Honest what I've been doing. I'll be honest with you. But I'm like, what the fuck is he just stopping in front of? I just been honest with you. Hold on, I'm talking back here. You say you ran because you drunk? I've been drinking a little bit. I ain't drunk. I just told you. I've been drinking. You told me to the thing. Well, what I'm saying is, I ain't been drinking. Stop me, though. They don't know. I started telling you. I did it from the start.
And I just told you too, I've been drinking every week, so that's why I really can't. 10-4, Laurent Bay, net 1064, next PM.
Half-ass homeless, man, hit my car. This thing I got.
You should have took off running. Should have pulled over.
Hey, I like it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I should do a lot of shit in my life. I appreciate this. You let me know. I appreciate it.
Don't you know what? You can't just do what you want to do.
No, bro, everybody is crazy. He want to say why he stopped me.
Your tags expired. You didn't let me get. If you didn't stop, I'd have told you.
October.
I got you. Well, it come back expired. And you ain't got no tag like.
Now I ain't got no tag like that. I'm just saying, bro.
We could have talked about that if you'd have pulled over.
First you said they expired. Now you saying they ain't got no light.
All right.
Man, look, man. I done been the worst of the worst, man. I ain't even the worst no more. But I ain't gonna lie, but I done been the worst of the worst. I'm gonna be honest with you. You want my name? I done been the worst of the worst. But I ain't the worst of the worst no more. I'm 51 years old. I'm not the worst of the worst no more.
Walk her back.
I'm not the worst of the worst, man. Hey, I just got this car seat from you.
Should have pulled over. Somebody drinking and driving. Should have pulled over.
I know, man.